On March 3, 2026, officers were dispatched following a report of a domestic disturbance.
Long going, him being slightly abusive and mentally disabled. He has his up and downs with drug addiction, and when he's not on them, he harasses the shit out of me and my dogs. He abuses me and my dogs. Tonight I got off work at 5, went straight home, ate dinner. He made a smart ass comment about my dogs. We've dated for 7 months. He refuses to walk them, and I said, until you start walking my dogs, maybe you can tell me how to take care of my dogs. And he turns around and smashes the mashed potatoes in my face. So I turned around and said, you're an asshole. Went to the bathroom to wash myself off, started crying. He told me I was being a little crybaby bitch. He said, how much did you drink tonight? I said, I had 2 glasses of wine while I cooked for the last 2 hours. And so he went I bought a box of wine. I'm a baller on a budget. He took it and cut the top off and drained the whole thing. And then came back into the bathroom and I said, well, what about your vodka in the freezer? And he goes, you want it? And he took it and he splashed the whole thing in my eyes. And then I got pissed. So I started yelling. Then he grabbed the key lime pie that I got, still in my hair, smashed it all in my hair, kicked me here, shoved my dogs, and then was holding me. And I said, and I was mad. So I said, what are you going to do? He goes, well, I can't do anything else. I can't hit you. I said, so you're going to strangle me? And then he went outside to smoke a cigarette. I packed my bags and I lived on the street. So I walked here to my job where my friends are to get a hotel or find a place to stay or just get the hell out of that place. I've been trying to work with him, but it's just getting worse and worse.
Okay.
And I'm scared. And I've been scared to even say anything to anybody because I'm afraid that if I tell somebody, he's going to come after me and it's going to be worse.
Your feelings are valid.
I'm scared of him. I'm scared of him. There's been times where he hurts my dog so much where I'm like, don't touch them, just take it out on me.
So, you live with each other?
What?
Do you live with each other?
Yeah, unfortunately, it was all. You leaving?
No, I'm
well,
not
then
leaving.
get away,
I'm not leaving
please.
you.
It was fine and dandy the first 6 months, and then out of nowhere, he just turned into this angry person.
Medication. Okay, so
Yes.
you live together on.
So I live right next to Old Town Bakery.
Mm-hmm.
It's Old Town Bakery, then that hair salon, and there's a little alley. So there's like the actual house, like the property owner, and then I'm the first cottage behind it. But I'm really scared if you guys go there, he's gonna try to kill me. I know he will.
Give me a moment.
We're here for you right now, okay? We're here for you.
He's got guns in the house too, and he's
There's
trying
guns
shit.
in the house. Okay, what guns? What
I
type
don't
of
know.
guns?
He
just says it.
No, there's like one little shitty one that I don't even know if it even works.
So do you have ID on you?
Yes, of course. I gotta go buy my dogs. We only moved 3 months ago, so I haven't changed my address yet.
Okay, do you?
John had a bad.
Still, Fort Dodge, Virginia. Can you walk away?
Yes. Do you have a picture of your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't call him that.
Awesome. Mr. Maxwell.
Yeah.
Mr. Maxwell.
Yeah. Well, that was after he threw all that pie at me, and he's calling me a psychopath. Smashed in the back of my head.
Oh, do you have the videos on it?
Is he gonna come after me? Like, what am I gonna do after this?
Getting a restraining order is absolutely required.
Well, what if we're both on the same lease?
You can go to the courthouse about that. You left the house.
What was your question?
You're going somewhere different tonight. Let's just focus on us right now.
What is your
Just make sure you. And then you got videos of.
I just have when he smashed. The messages was the first thing. That was when he smashed the key lime pie on the back of my neck, and that was when he kicked my knee. And it was all over the couch. And he saw me. I'm a psychopath.
You have any marks or bruises on you? What's your stuff?
So here, well, there's that. He kicked hard. I have my elbow. I think.
Yes, there's something around it. Yes, right there. Boom, right there. Yes. Yes.
So he strangled me. I don't know if there's anything on my neck.
Yep. Look at that. Yes. Oh my
That was
God.
weird.
No.
No, that's
What the fuck?
oh, that's from right.
No, no, no.
So you hit me there. That's a big bruise. It's swelled. No, that's just swelling. It's not. I think that might be a bruise there. It's huge.
Shut up, guys.
I know, man.
And I know her. She never leaves.
Maybe another bruise there. I don't think there's anything on my. Well, there's key lime pie crushed all over me.
Oh, Dom, he just
Any marks on your hands?
Your hands.
When I deflected myself, well, I showed up with blood everywhere. When he hit me, something cut me, and my whole hand got cut, and it was all blood.
Jesus Christ.
That was just me, like, defending myself, and I have no idea.
Can you show me just a second of that?
Are there marks?
There's some swelling.
Has this happened before?
Yeah, and I was embarrassed. I'm afraid to. I think that happened to women. I think they're scared. I just didn't want to make you. He keeps threatening my dogs to leave.
How long you had the dogs?
They're 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
Oh, they're big.
And I can't have kids. So they're my life. He's a psycho, and he thinks it's weird that I give them so much attention. There's some
Where's he from?
Hollywood.
He's from Hollywood.
I'm from Hollywood.
Hey, you know, I like Hollywood.
Let me
but
go to
also
good phone number for you.
There are some.
His phone number or mine?
No, yours.
3.
No, there are good. There's good and bad and everything.
So just refusing. You get an argument today about the dogs. That's how it started. That's what just started out.
We've been arguing he came to my job and started arguing while I was at work at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And then I came home and took my dogs for a walk instead of giving him attention. He belongs, he needs help. He got mad at me for taking my dogs for a walk after I've been at work since 9 a.m. There's something wrong. And then I took him for a walk. He came home. He passed out because he got stoned. When he woke up, he was unhappy that my dogs were sitting at the bottom of our tables looking at us. And I'm like, they're waiting for table scraps. That's what dogs do. That's what they do. And it just turned into a whole thing. And that's when the mashed potatoes happened. And then it's been happening so long for 6 months. And I kept quivering to where finally tonight I was like, what are you going to do? And then he's been physical before. But tonight he got really crazy. And then I packed my bags and he goes, get the fuck out. And I was like, whoa, because I pretty much we pay half and half, but I pay for all the groceries, do all the laundry, do all the cleaning, electric, cable, everything else. And I'm like, okay, this is your house. I'm going to leave. And I just left. And I've been really scared because we just signed this lease 3 months ago. And I'm like, what am I supposed to do? But this has happened. And my friends are like, you have to file this. If you are breaking your lease and you file this, show your landlord.
How long you guys been dating?
We met last month of September.
Can you tell me your direct address right now too?
One Fletcher Lane.
One
Yeah,
Fletcher
Lane. It's right next to.
All Time Bakery.
Yeah, he's gonna be psychotic if you go there.
In One Fletcher Lane.
Yeah, I don't want to press charges. I just want to make sure this is
Just do an incident report. That's all you want to do is file
so
an incident report.
I can get out of my lease and get the fuck away from him.
One Fletcher Lane. So instead of Florida, they take it really seriously, just like that. Generally, they pay attention to any like a domestic incidents, and that's where we now win this point. So we will investigate the case. We'll see what's going to happen, and basically go from there.
I'm gonna stay away from the house.
Okay, you have a place to go tonight.
I have tonight. I have a place for at least the next week.
Next week. So you're gonna stay with your friends.
I'll probably go by tomorrow or the next day to talk to the landlord. just to let him know what's going on. And that's why I definitely wanted to make something with you guys so that he knows he's an ex-judge lawyer. I'm like, just so you know, I put it on the record. You know, I don't want them to think that I'm just backing out of the lease. And they're our next door neighbors. I know they hear the screaming. I know they hear it. I know they do.
Want to come on? So you said that happened before, like
Yeah, he's put his
hands on
my
you.
throat before,
So you said like after you
and
guys
he's
he got
hurt my
upset,
dog.
then he tossed the mashed potatoes 1st, right? Then
I threw him back. I took him off and I went like this and I said, grow up. Then I went to the bathroom to wash my face.
Then he
Came in, telling me I was a drunk.
and he grabbed your neck.
Yep.
He
And then
put both of
he
the hands
said,
around
He
it.
said, how many glasses of wine have you had? And I said, 2. So I went to the kitchen and it was a box of wine. Ripped the thing off and poured it all down the drain.
Okay, so he tore the rest.
Then he came in and I said, what about your vodka? And he took it and splashed the vodka in my eyes.
With the hands. So that was the second thing. Like after the 2 he just grab you.
When he grabbed me, he kicked here. That's where the swelling here is
He
from.
grabbed you with the hands
And kicked
and
there.
then kick you in the thumb. And he was holding the choke.
My neck, yes.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have one form for you in here that I'm gonna like to go through.
You guys aren't going to go there tonight, right?
Yeah, we'll check on him. We're gonna see what happens. So that was 305-699-9404, right? Your phone number?
Yeah.
305-699-9404.
It's going to be
One more.
and
Mackenzie, we're going to
make
go
sure you
there.
get a business card.
One more thing. Can I Can I see that video with you in the thing? I know that the officer took over there, but I
Yeah,
like
but
just to have it.
It's
myself.
literally just me showing the mashed potatoes. It's all, he smacked me right here.
That is it.
And it's all over the bed.
Let's go from the top.
Hold on. Let me do over.
Anyway, you remember the last thing that Morgan had on?
Just fucking chucked key lime pie at me. Yep.
Remember the last thing he was wearing?
No shirt and underwear.
No shirt and underwear?
Yeah, he's a lazy, fat shit. He looks like a frog standing up.
This is the case number. 26.
I'm really scared. You guys are gonna go there.
Yes.
He's gonna.
Well, I'm gonna go and investigate what happened out there from the other side.
He's gonna tell you that I'm a drunk loser.
Well, you admitted you said that he hit you. So see the marks in here. I see the
see him?
thing over there. Give me a second. I just got one
When
form.
he choked you, how did he choke you? One hand, two hands?
2 hands.
He did 2 hands like this, and then that's when he kicked here really hard, and that's why my leg is swollen. It's like a Charlie horse now.
When he hit you with 2 hands, I do see the marks and swelling up there. Did it block your pathway from breathing at any time?
A little bit, just a little bit.
Hard to
It
breathe.
scared the shit out of me. Yeah, but that's when I got really angry. That's what I get. Then I swear to God, I just went, "What are you gonna do?" Like my adrenaline kicked in. I was defending myself. You know, I didn't know. I was scared of him. I've been scared of him. That's why I haven't called you guys.
I'll get the form. You're right.
I don't want to make it up.
We can leave those. Just leave that stuff here so he doesn't lose them.
So do you need the key on your head?
I don't think I need any glue here. You can phone if you want.
You don't need phone numbers out of it?
Or to call somebody to pick you up.
Oh yeah, where is?
Right on College Road.
We'll take. Okay, that's.
Is this your house key?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I guess I might need that.
Okay.
Take a well, I hooked it to the phone.
Do you have somebody living with you as well? Because she's coming to retrieve some belongings as well.
And it was just me and her.
Okay.
Oh yeah, she's here we go.
Is she allowed to come get her stuff?
Yeah, we're both on the lease.
Okay.
Okay. You can take the hat. Anything else on you?
Are those some of your shoes? Or sneakers?
Yeah, I got both. It's alright.
Huh?
Pull this. Last one. Yeah, go. Watch your steps.
Tango 39.
He's gonna go in. They won't even process. He can bond right out and come right back.
So Mike, Bravo, 95,
So
NKM,
that decision is up to you.
For 70.
Now, he self-admitted himself that you're on the lease here, is where you live. So, I mean, you can't. It's not like you can't be here, but
I don't want to be here with him when he's violent towards me. I don't want to be with him. I want him out of my life. So I just think about what
yeah, you guys need to figure this out.
needs to be done.
Yeah, you guys need to figure this out. If you're both on here,
760.
so
Point.
typically what happens is, are you trying to get an injunction against them? Is that what you want to do?
I just want him out of my life. I don't want to be around him anymore.
Okay, I get it, but like, what are you trying to do? Are you trying to move out of here or get him?
I mean,
out
I
of here?
can get him out. I can afford it by myself. I don't need him here. But nothing but.
Okay.
According to the arrest report, the man was charged with 2 counts of battery after an investigation by responding officers. Court records show that the victim elected to proceed with charges, and the matter was addressed at trial. A final verdict was issued on March 25, 2026. However, the case has been classified as confidential, and no further details have been publicly disclosed.